how to put your Instagram link on YouTube. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to put your Instagram link on YouTube. First, launch the Instagram app on your phone and go to the profile icon. Here, you will see the Share Profile button. Now tap Share Profile and copy the given link by tapping Copy Link. Next, go to the YouTube app on your phone. Then, tap on the U tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap the View Channel to view the channel, and you cannot add a link here. To do this, navigate to the YouTube Studio app. Now tap the profile icon in the top right corner. You will see the links field in this section and tap on it. Then, tap the pen icon, add the title, and paste your link. After pasting the link, your Instagram will be linked to your YouTube account. Finally, tap Save at the top right corner of the screen to apply changes. The Instagram link will be visible in your About section on your channel banner. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.